And so, what wine is released on the third Thursday in November?
So remember, the Jeopardy music is playing, so think about it for a minute here. So throw it in the comment box, chat box. What wine is released on the third Thursday in November?
And this will set part of the theme for our trivia for today. But yes, so this is a lot of celebrations historically around this wine being released.
Okay, we got a lot of Smarties here.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, Beaujolais Nouveau is their answer.
Well, Beaujolais Nouveau is the correct answer, and that has always been released on the third Thursday in November.
Nice.
Well, sad there's not going to be any Beaujolais Nouveau parties this year. So Beaujolais is made from one specific grape. Which grape is it? Is it Pinot Noir? Is it Gamay? Is it Merlot? Or is it Carnier?
Okay, got the Jeopardy music playing.
What grape is used to make Beaujolais? I'm hoping our Smarties can continue their streak.
Okay, yes, we have some Smarties here. So a lot, well, most everyone, with the exception of one person who put Gamay, has been the overwhelming answer.
I'm guessing that was a typo.
I think so, yes.
Okay, well, Gamay is the correct answer, and correct. Gamete Noir actually is the grape that is used to make Beaujolais. Most, particularly in America, it's best known as just Gamay. So, which one of these is not a Beaujolais cru? Is it Brulé? Is it Gigondas? Is it Chinaise? Or is it Saint Amour? So, wanted to put some little bit more difficult questions. Some of them were a little, most people are going to know, but wanted to have them all over the place. Let's see who knows our Beaujolais crus.
Okay, we got the A team here today, Liz. Everyone putting Gigondas as their answer.
Oh, that's good, because Gigondas is the correct answer. That is not a Beaujolais cru. That is a cru from Rhone. But wanted to kind of, test out everyone's map knowledge. So let's continue with the map theme. Which river runs along the Beaujolais vineyards? Is it the Zone, the Rhone, the Gironde, or the Seine? Which river runs along the Beaujolais vineyards?
Might be some Googling going on because the answers are slower to come in.
I was going to say, this one's probably a little bit more tricky.
Okay, now they start coming through. We have Saône, Garonne, Rhone. Someone else saying the last one, so I'm thinking Seine is their answer on that. So this one was a little bit tough. We have answers across the board. What do you got for us?
So the correct answer is, in fact, the Zone. That is the river that runs along the Beaujolais vineyards.
Great. And someone's saying, can't read the small print. Well, the details are always in the small print.
That's why I said it's going to be a little bit tricky.